Hi guys, I'm Shahid. Today I'm going to make egg mayonnaise sandwich for breakfast. It's very easy to make and it's very yummy. Let's start guys. First boil the eggs. Meanwhile chop the coriander leaves. Now add the boiled eggs into the cold water for a while. Take 6 slices of bread and cut the edges. And my mother helped me to cut the bread. Cut the boiled eggs. Separate the egg yolk. And finally chop the egg white. Guys, just follow my method. Finally, add all the ingredients into the bowl and mix it well. Spread 1 teaspoon of butter onto each slice of the bread. Spread the egg mixture into the bread and cover it with other bread. Guys, repeat the same method to another bread. Slice the bread into a triangle shape. That's all guys, our egg mayo bread is ready. Now it's time to taste. It's really yummy guys. Bye guys.